Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a quick morning update. You can see gold's having another phenomenal day, right? I went over that extensively yesterday. I'm going to do a phenomenal silver video for you later on. What we're looking for, but the Bitcoin, after a little bit of a fall yesterday, we know what we're watching for in Bitcoin. This is going to be a quick update for you, my beautiful audience. You can see Bitcoin had a big fall last night down to the 200-day moving average, very suspected. Now what you got to watch out for is, do you get rejected in these moving averages as they get squeezed and you make another leg down to the next level down? That's what I'm watching for in Bitcoin today. Do you get fall below in the hour time frame, that 200-day moving average that you're trying to get supported on now, and do you get rejected by that and start trading down? As you do know, I believe we're coming down to 53,059. I've made no secret about that since the price was in there, right? I think it's coming down there because I think there's a big fall about to happen, and we're setting the stage for it, right? And part of the reason is you got interest rates and government bonds rising 8-9% yesterday, and then the risk assets, tech stocks, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitter, all that, Tesla, they sell off. Electric car vehicles, crypto sold off yesterday because of that. Now we're getting a bounce back from some of this crashiness that went on yesterday. But if we look at the Doge, we're at a critical support, and look at that. It actually came down to that green ring like we were talking about. And if you fail to hold this and you get rejected by that green ring and the overhead blue resistance line right here that's chilling there, that one, you're coming down to 21 cents because you're going to start dropping down to the next level in the rings. So if you can't hold this critical area in Doge right now, you're going to get rejected, and you're coming down to this next ring at 21 cents from the 25.5 cents that you're sitting at now. The XRP, similar fashion yesterday. You can see we told you this green ring was going to act as overhead resistance, right? And it crashed pretty hard last night, got supported by this green support box, that major traded area in green. Now I suspect this thing's going to run out of steam, and it's going to end up back here in the next few days, and then down there, and then down there. As you know, Vincenzo thinks the price of this is going to eventually go back down, and it looks like the momentum is starting. You can see that huge volume sell right there. That means the structure of this push up and bull run is changed, and I would look for a quick, swift move down back to 92 cents as the next few days to a week goes on. I think you're going to be trading back there over here, right? I think that's what's going on there. And then we can look at some XLM. XLM had one of the harder falls yesterday. Look at that, right up at that green ring and blue ring. Like we were talking about, this blue ring is your major overhead resistance. It got right up to that 44 cents and swiftly flushed 17%, right? We've had this target up there at 42 cents since the price was all back in here, right? This whole time back in there, even down there. And we kept telling you, if you got up there, this blue ring was going to act as major overhead resistance, this blue ring right here. And it did. It beat this price down very, very violently right there. You see that it came up and got beat down violently, and that's why we had that circled up there. And then your major underneath support was the blue ring down there. And you can see we wicked down almost perfectly to it. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Scintillating, exciting, fabulous, glowing, stunning, glowing updates coming as you guys subscribe to the channel. My beautiful, lovely audience. Peace and love. Peace and love.